Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with a little bonus video today. You guys are not going to believe me anymore when I say something is the last, because yesterday's Etsy share was my last before the break. But we went out to shovel our 6 inches of snow today, and my mixed medium Minnesota January kit was here. So I wanted to share that quickly with you because I didn't want, by the time I got back from break, I didn't want it to be all gone. So let's take a look. I'm so excited. There's so many awesome goodies in this kit. Let's look at the paper first so we know what we're working with here this month. Oops. And it is the Stamperia. Oh, you know me and foreign words. Atelier des Arts. I don't know. Adler. That's the Montana pronunciation. Adler. Anyway, oh my gosh, how beautiful is this? So pretty. Let me make sure. Yeah, I'm pretty well. If I go right there. Okay. So it's got the little journal cards on that side. Oh, look at that. Wouldn't you love to have an art studio like that? Look at the walls. Oh my gosh. Look. So pretty. Little door. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is gorgeous. It is in spring when the art and rebirth of life begins. No, it is in spring when the art and rebirth of life begins. So pretty. Oh my goodness. My little brain's a-cooking. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Art is not just a painting. No, it's definitely a garden too. This is gorgeous. Look at this patchworky kind of one. Can you see that okay? You can see parts of it anyway, if I bend it over. Okay, and then big journal cards. Look at the backs. They're like canvases, backs of canvases. Oh, this is really cool. I've never seen this one before. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Doesn't it just make you want to get in there and squeeze those paint tubes? It does me. Oh, and this is cool. Little color wheels and swatches. Oh, look at that one. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. That's really cool. And then that one. Okay, so that's the paper we have to work with, all very artistic and wonderful. And then there's two, I do believe, rice paper. Whew, that was hard to come, wasn't it? Oh, those are gorgeous. And then it comes, look, comes with cardboard. So, cardboard and rings. One of my faves. Oh, I'm excited about this. Okay, well, you're moving up on the list, little kit. Okay, and then it comes with this felt. I mean, one could put that under the paper. Oh, my brain's just a-going. So there's the felt. I'm going to set it over here so you can see all the colorful parts. Okay, so then there's the chipboard that has all kinds of arty words. That's awesome. And then the die cuts, there's paintbrushes, there's those suitcases that were on the paper. Oh, look, here's the door. Had a little split down the side so I can get at them. Oh my gosh, butterflies. So that's the die cuts. And then there's the Prima, oh, nope, sorry, not Prima, Little Birdie handmade flowers for the cover. Oh boy, this is going straight onto the project card. I'm just saying. There's 3 kinds of paint. I mean, 3 colors. So, kind of a turquoise, a tan, and a green. That goes perfectly with the kit. And then there's a paintbrush, which, you know, because I'm so hard on paintbrushes, I'm thrilled to have a new paintbrush. That's awesome. And then there's these acrylic stamps, numbers. How fun is that going to be? Oh my gosh, what a great kit. Mixed Media Minnesota. Mixed Media Minnesota January kit. I'll have the link to Mixed Media Minnesota in the description box. This is a fantastic kit, you guys. Oh, one more thing. There's seam binding. So we have that to play with as well. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to quickly take it from out in the freezing cold, bring it in and show it to you all so you could hop over there and grab yourself one of these kits. So thank you so much, Shannon, for sharing this. This is going to be super fun to play with. I cannot wait. So anyway, Mixed Media Minnesota January kit. We will just see you in the next video. I don't know if it's going to be a last of any sort. But thanks so much for supporting the shops I share. Take care, everyone. Have a grateful day. Bye.